I went through a whole mini phase.
Oh, you did.
I was one of them. I wanted like a tiny little watch. I wanted, like, you could barely see the time.
Fashion's OG it girl. My guest for today is someone who's always known about brands, couture, trends, even before the styling culture came to Indian shores. Let's just say that just like my all-new sophisticated Nexa Invicto, which is an intelligent electric hybrid, Panya Qureshi has always known the secret to being an OG trendsetter. Hey guys, I'm Janice Sequeira and this is Nexa on the road. And now before I get Panya, I think let's just get all our settings done. Let's put my ventilated seats on. Let's open up the sunroof. All right, let's go get Panya Qureshi. Hi. Sorry,
How are
you?
you?
Waiting too long.
No, not at all. I was having my
How are
coffee.
you ready to put your life in my hands?
Anybody is a better driver than me, so between you and I, you're the better option. So let's go.
I promise you, we're very safe. The car has 6 airbags. AC temperature has been regulated. The sunroof is open.
Amazing,
Your
beautiful.
ventilated seats are on. So let's go on this drive.
Let's go.
Tell me, so when do you think you discovered your love for fashion?
I think I was born into fashion, if that even makes sense.
No, it does.
Because
with
my
your
mother
background, it
is
does.
very stylish. So much so she makes a lot of her own clothes, you know.
Yeah.
So she used to have this dressing room where in the 90s she put this furry soft red carpet. When my parents would go out for a dinner or they would go to bed, I would go into her dressing room and just try on her clothes and roll around on the red carpet for hours. And this is when I was like 4 or 5. It was my me time when nobody was bothering me.
Yeah.
Everybody was asleep or out of the house, and that's what I used to do for fun.
Wait, 1 minute. Do you still borrow from your mom, by the way?
I only shop in my mother's closet. And if I have to go anywhere, like a baby's birthday party, because I have a small daughter, so I'm constantly attending baby's birthday parties, walk into her closet and I'm like, what am I wearing today? And then once in a while I'm like, you have nothing to wear, mom, once I've exhausted all her clothes.
So, Panya, tell me, when you go to all these babies' birthday parties, are you the most fashionable mom there?
No.
Really?
Delhi girls are really stylish, Janice. Literally, I have seen more rare and cool pieces from Hermes at that birthday party that I've seen anywhere in my entire life.
Would you
All
mix
facts.
designer wear and these brands and like couture with stuff that's completely off the street?
That's my whole life, Janice. I wear things from thrift shops and flea markets, and then I mix them with like a vintage. This sweater is vintage Chanel.
Okay.
This skirt, yeah, is like really cheap. I don't know where I got it, like a long time ago. I think high-low dressing is amazing.
The last thing I want to ask you in this segment is that we're celebrating 25 years of Fashion Week.
Yeah, mashallah, amazing.
As someone who's been there for so many of their shows, who's probably seen some of the behind-the-scenes madness, what are some of your favorite memories?
Somewhere in the beginning of when I started my first business, a pop-up shop, I had done a show as a designer under like the Panya Qureshi label.
Yeah.
And I don't know why, because it was my first show and it's not like I had been in the fashion industry for so many years. The show was packed, Janice. People were standing.
So, Panya, since we love your fashion opinions, I'm going to play a game with you.
Okay.
It's called Ick or Slick. I'm going to read out a bunch of like trends and people who've been in those trends, and you just give me your opinion on whether you think it's ick or slick. Socks with heels.
Honestly, it depends on who's doing it, but mostly it's ick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Urfi Javed's DIY outfit.
So slick. One day there were butterflies coming out,
Yeah.
and there's a track moving. I'm like, she's so creative, and I'm like, who is her master?
What about the micro mini bags, like the ones that can fit just a lipstick?
Slick. I went through that whole phase, I cannot deny. So slick, yeah.
Lady Gaga's neat dress.
Oh, ick.
Sneakers with lehengas.
A lot of girls do it, and you know what? To each his own. Like, have fun. For me, ick.
Kylie Jenner's line headdress.
I have a vague memory of this. Ick.
And last one, Ranveer Singh's over-the-top looks.
I don't know if this is like contrary to public opinion. I like everything that Ranveer Singh does. He has such a strong point of view.
Yeah, this has been an absolutely fantastic conversation.
Thank you.
I feel like I've learned a few things about fashion and
Yeah.
brands. And on that note, Panya
Yeah.
Qureshi, this is where I drop you off. Thank you. So,
This is so nice.